All right, all you fun police, you better watch this one all the way through to the end before you go doing or saying something dumb. But hey, you know what? Enough of that. Let's get to it. Welcome to the RC Adventure Channel, everybody. We're coming at you from the Meadow Lakes neighborhood of Wasilla, and we are going to a fly-in today. Isn't that right, Nathan?
Yes.
Yeah. What are they going to do at the fly-in? Do you know?
They're going to do like a candy drop and a potluck thing where people share their food.
Yeah. What kind of food did we bring?
Chili.
Yeah, we brought chili. I made it just this morning. Should be a lot of fun. Of course, if you're going to a fly-in, you got to bring an airplane to it. Now, this is kind of a full-scale fly-in, and I'm bringing a slightly miniature size airplane, but it's okay. I've already talked to the people organizing the event, and they are totally cool with it. In fact, they were really excited for the idea. So, what do you say? Let's get going. Let's fly on over there. Hey,
Yes.
you think? You're excited?
Yeah.
Excited, Brian?
Yes.
Yes, that was like so not excited sounding.
Yeah, let's go.
All right, let's get going. All right, and clear prop. So, control check. We got right aileron, left rudder, right rudder, up elevator, down elevator. Throttle's responding.
Landing to the north, Seymour Lake traffic, telegraph Kilo Whiskey will be number 2 following the Cessna. Figure.
I was lying in my cell on death row when I heard the warden say, "You got one more day, one last bit, or we'll tear you away." He said, "If we ain't got it, we'll have to go out and get it. And you don't have to go till we come back with it." So I thought for a moment, then I say, "Bring me 2 dinosaur eggs, over easy, fried in butter, but not too greasy."
So yeah, that's 16 airplanes and a helicopter. Another helicopter is on the way for the candy drop, and several more airplanes are expected too. And with weather like this, yeah, it's going to be busy. It's going to be a fun day. Let's get on inside, see what's going on.
Can't resist. Get my dinner go.
There's Nathan. What's up, Nathan? Lunchtime now. All right. Well, let's go see what we got for lunch. I think they're Trump supporters. What do you guys think? Holy crap, there is definitely enough food to feed an army. All right, that is awesome right there. I'm gonna have Look at that. That's the dessert table. You guys go here last, okay? You need to actually eat a lunch. But the worms in the dirt, I love it. Oh, we got some deviled eggs. We got shrimp. We got... Looks like we got some mac and cheese back there. Good thing I didn't make the mac and cheese like I was thinking. We got sandwiches, we got salad, we got more stuff in a crock pot. We got some pizza back there. There's enough here to feed an army, which is a good thing. Because there's about an army's worth of people showing up. Wanted to take a quick opportunity to thank everybody who organized, volunteered, performed, or otherwise did everything that they did that made this event so much fun. Thank you. You guys are awesome, and I can't wait to see you again next year. One food-induced coma later, and it's time for the candy drop.
I want some purple watermelon and some alligator ears. Give me some
Looks like he's getting ready to drop.
and a fried bread in the bowl. A raisin water cocktail and the breeze all a mold. Bring me a plate of them stewed moonbeams and a barbecue rib with a chocolate ice cream.
Oh, look at it go! It's raining candy!
You ain't got it.
They're going, go Brian! Go Brian! The kids were not supposed to go, they just started going. Oh well. Oh, they're dropping more over there.
Don't get too excited.
Yeah, they go, run on the wet ice. Nobody's gonna slip and fall. Like, I'm not going. Yeah, they saw candy and they just went, huh? That's kids for you.
You ain't got it. Go out and get it, 'cause I ain't going to come back with it now.
Well, there we go. Helicopter's shutting down over there.
What do you say?
So, how'd you guys do? Did you get a lot of candy?
I got so much.
You got so much? Let's see what you got. You show me? You know, open it. Goes the wind to let you keep it open. Wow, look at that. Full of all kinds of good stuff. What about you, Nathan? You got a few too. Good job. High fives. High fives. Yeah. What do you think? Was that a lot of fun, you guys?
Yes, it was so much fun. People are taking off.
Yeah. Yeah, everyone's heading home, huh? You guys tired? Ready to head home?
Yes, so might as well we should head home.
Yeah. You're tired, Brian? Did you get a lot of candy?
Yes.
Yeah. Did you get a candy, Nathan?
Yes, so much.
Did you get a good lunch?
Yes.
Was that a great lunch? That was a great potluck lunch, huh?
Yeah.
And the candy drop, that was a lot of fun. Well, we're gonna come back next year?
Yes.
Yes, we're gonna come back next year. All right. Oh, hey, if you like that video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. And if you want to see more like this, hit the subscribe button. The bell icon will let you know when the next one's ready. And if you want to see more content like this before my next video comes up, go ahead and check out my Facebook page. I've got all kinds of stuff that I load up there, little things that don't make it into the video, a little behind the scenes stuff on occasion, that sort of thing. So yeah, hey, what do we always say? Until next time, you're not having fun until you break something.
Have fun until you break something.
You're not having fun until you break something. All right, let's get going. A little bouncy, but we made it.
Pause this.
So to answer the burning question as to how all that RC fun was safe and legal, it's because I did 4 things. First, I got permission from the property owner / event organizer. Second, I was using a spotter the entire time to watch for any approaching aircraft. 3 and 4 aren't required, but it's always good to have a VHF airband receiver so that I could listen into the CTAF. And since I'm a licensed private pilot, I understand what's being said on the radio and what the other airplanes are going to do. But there weren't any airplanes flying at the time that I was up, because I was actually there well before the event to do all the flying. And all the airplanes that you saw at that time were actually just the ones that were based there. It was through the magic of video editing that I made it look like I flew from another lake into that airport at the same time all the other airplanes were flying in there. If you've got questions, comments, suggestions, leave them down below. Otherwise, see you in the next video.